Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play NBA 2K MyTeam with friends. First, ensure both you and your friends have the game installed and updated to the latest version. It's crucial that everyone is online and connected to the game's servers for a smooth experience. Once confirmed, head directly to the MyTeam main menu. This is your starting point for inviting friends and selecting game modes to enjoy together. Once you are in the MyTeam menu, look for the Play with Friends or Co-op option, typically found near the main game modes. Selecting this will bring up your platform's friends list. Choose the friend you want to invite to your squad. After sending the invitation, your friend will receive a notification and can accept it to join your lobby. This process usually takes only a few seconds. With your friends successfully in your lobby, it's time to choose a game mode. MyTeam offers several exciting co-op options. For example, you can team up in triple threat online co-op, playing 3-on-3 against other duos or trios. Another popular choice is clutch time co-op, offering fast-paced 5-on-5 action. Discuss with your friends which mode everyone wants to play for maximum enjoyment. To maximize your fun and success playing MyTeam with friends, communication is key. Talk to each other about plays, defense, and who is taking which shot. Build a balanced squad by utilizing each player's unique strengths and roles. Don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies and lineups. Remember, it's all about teamwork and enjoying the game together, whether you win or lose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.